Greetings and welcome. Probably you have that specific electric saw with that brilliant constructed blade holder right here. With a turn to the side, the blade has already been released. Sadly, with thin blades and a lot of abuse, I broke mine. Just great quality. What to do? I just cut off all that housing around the blade grip holder to get access, and as well for some space for my solution to work. Now I switch the blades with losing that garden water hose clamp with a socket wrench. After that, the original spring, which I shortened, will flip up that holding pin, which I made myself, the holding pin. So I only keep two pieces from the original grip holder, that spring and the other tube frame housing thing. What is around the whole thing. But for that trick to work, you need to make that holding pin yourself. Here's a drawing of that pin holder piece, what I came up with. Constructed that thing out of a 7.5mm drill bit. To do so as well, you will need a lathe. Yeah, if the hose clamp is loose, the whole assembly will fall off the saw. And you could lose those parts. Another thing is the danger that this modification brings with it. Because without the complete hand safety guard, you can now easily place your fingers into those moving parts. So it becomes dangerous to use. Always keep that in mind. No blind catch grip sawing anymore. You need to be aware of your fingers at all times. Well, very thin blades still tend to wobble around in there. Maybe a slightly longer pin would force that blade against the wall much better. Don't care. As long as it works now, I'm happy with it.